Hello, afternoon guys. Today now I'm here at the office and everybody was busy and all applicants was here, and then because Devi is not here, our secretary, so I helped my boss to assess all these applicants for their papers, and also I try to encourage all the applicants, to apply working abroad, that the opportunity, they grab the opportunity, and then how to save money while they're working abroad. So not all the time, but even though our family is requesting for the money, that you need to send all the time, because later on, in the end, we save nothing. So I'm here at the office and there's applicants. Then I am waiting my boss, I'm waiting for Sir.